What's up, craft kids? Today we're gonna be
drawing A from alphabet lore, but
lowercase.
Yeah, that's right. But not the uppercase version that we've already drawn. We're going to be drawing the lowercase version. So A as a little young person, or young letter, as it seems. So we're gonna embark on an adventure, and we're gonna draw all 26 lowercase letters. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You ready to get started, Landon?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. All right, here we go. First move is to do the eyes. Okay, the eyes are squares with rounded corners. We're gonna do it like in the middle of the page, top and bottom, and then split the middle with an eyeball on each side. Ready? Get your square vibe going on. One there, and then another one over here. Okay, as long as they're close, we can always fix them up later, right? Good, those are close. We can do thickening to make them look better, okay?
They look like marshmallows.
I think they look good. All right, the next thing that we are going to do is out of the top of this eyeball, we'll finish the eyeballs in a minute, but the top of this eyeball off to the right, we're going to make a curved line that goes just like that, about halfway to the second eyeball. Good. Next, we are going to go to just above the inside edge of this eyeball, and we're going to go curve it out to halfway to this eyeball. Good. And we're going to curve it up. And we're going to come all the way across the top into the and curve it down into the outside part of this eyeball. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? Ooh, my paper. Shoot. Good, I like yours better than mine. Came out better. I wish I had come out a little further and gone straight down, but it is what it is. We're not going for perfection.
And I wish I made this a little thicker.
A little thicker, yeah. We're not going for perfection, so we're going to keep this rolling.
Like right in between that and that.
Yeah, somewhere in between the two of ours.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to keep this rolling. Imagine this top line here that we just did goes all the way through the eyeball. You're going to come out the bottom of the eyeball, and you're going to draw a line about that long. Okay, then from the middle-ish of this eyeball, maybe a little slightly to the left, you're going to come and you're going to curve down. And you're going to make sure that that curve ends up having a little bit of space between. Good. Next, we're going to do the little tail. Goes out like this, comes down like this, and then there's a curved part that comes across. Nice. You can bring that line up just a little bit further. Yeah, cool, dude. Awesome. Now, the mouth. So the mouth is going to live in between the eyes, and the top of the mouth is going to come up about almost to the middle of the eyes, not quite. All right? And it's just like a trapezoid with rounded corners. So we go like this. Okay, something like that. I could have made mine even a little taller if I wanted to. And you can make yours come down further because you have a big area down here. So you can make yours like longer than mine.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome, dude. Oh, that's cool. Nice, Landon. Okay, now we're gonna take and we're gonna put the teeth in. So it's one line there on an angle, and then it's one line there on an angle. Cool. Now we do the pupils, which they're just gonna mimic the shape of the outside. So they're squares with round corners, and we're gonna fill the whole thing in, and they're really, really big. So you must be frightened or something. we're going to do some coloring and shading. Question is, do you want to fast forward and do it, or do you want to do a magic trick? Landon has decided that the magic trick that we want to do is we're going to take our rulers and we're going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3, boom. We're going to smack these rulers down on the table, and these drawings are instantly going to be colored, shaded, and any lines that need to be thickened are going to be thickened. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Colored! Look at those, Land. Those are awesome.
Yeah.
Aye. All right, these were so much fun. We had a really good time with these lowercase A's. We are going to be continuing on doing all the lowercase letters of alphabet lore. We've done the uppercase or capital letters already. Check them out if you haven't seen the videos, but we have all 26 done. So we had a super fun time doing this, Land. You looking forward to doing some more?
Yeah.
Yeah, so check out our videos on Craft Kids TV. If you have a chance, check out our other 2 channels.
Crazy Kids and
Odin's Antics.
Odin's
Crazy Kids
Antics.
TV and Odin's
I
Antics.
just started blinking out.
It's okay, it happens. So, until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay fun. That's wrong. Keep drawing, stay awesome. Keep drawing, stay awesome, have fun.
Bye.
Bye.